Today we shall read stanza 3 poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum Area. We have already read stanza 1 and stanza 2 by Stephen Spender. Stephen Spender is the poet of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum Area. Surely Shakespeare is wicked. Surely Shakespeare is wicked for these children, as Shakespeare is an epitome of literary excellence. Shakespeare literary excellence का प्रतीक है, लेकिन उस क्लासरूम में एजुकेशन नाम की चीज ही नहीं है. But in that classroom there is no education in real sense. For these slum children, literary excellence is a far-fetched thing, and hence Shakespeare seems wicked to them. The map, जो मैप वहां टंगा हुआ है दीवार पर, the map a bad example. That map is of no use to them. That map represents richness. That map represents civilized world. So that map presents a bad example for them, as the civilized world, richness and the scenic beauty portrayed in the map cannot relieve them from their despair. Their map is their windows. ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि उनका मैप उनकी विंडोज हैं, जिन विंडोज से बाहर उन्हें कुछ नहीं दिखता, सिर्फ एक ब्लैक फ्यूचर उन्हें दिखता है. बाहर विंडोज से बाहर एक स्ट्रीट है, एक नैरो स्ट्रीट, एंड विच इज सील्ड इन विथ लेड स्काई. सो दिस मैप इज ऑफ नो यूज टू देम because their map is their windows which open to a vast world of despair and hopelessness. The map on the wall gives them false aspirations, as it makes them aware of the beautiful and the civilized world outside. Therefore, map is a bad example for them. Map is of no use to them. With ships and sun and love tempting them to steal. Tempting means lure. Tempting means motivate करना, लुभाना, किसी को tempt करना, lure करना. So the sun, the ship and the emotions of love which they see in those pictures hanging on the wall of the classroom. So the sun, the ships and the emotions of love, all these symbolize joy and happiness which these children are deprived of. They have experienced only poverty and hunger. They are living in the most unhygienic conditions. So ये ship, sun और love उन्हें tempt करता है ताकि वो भी ऐसी ही लाइफ को जी सकें, और ऐसी ही लाइफ को जीने के लिए उन्हें और कोई मीन्स नहीं दिखता. उन्हें सिर्फ एक ही तरीका दिखता है कि वो इलीगल मीन्स के थ्रू ऐसी लाइफ को गेट कर सके. सो शिप्स, सन एंड लव टेम्प्ट देम टू स्टील. शिप्स, सन एंड लव रिप्रेजेंट that word which is beyond their reach. So these children are sometimes tempted to adopt wrong means, such as stealing, to fulfill their dreams, to get that world. For lives that slyly turn in their cramped holes. Cramped holes means small hutments. These slum children live in cramped holes. They are striving and struggling for survival. They are living in small, dirty rooms from fog to endless night. That means from foggy mornings till endless nights. They are trying to meet both ends very hard. On their slag heap. What is meant by slag heap? Slag heap means industrial waste. So they live on slag heap. These slum children live on slag heaps, piles of industrial waste material, and you can imagine that kind of waste may be very injurious to their health. They have to live in an unhealthy life in a world full of dirt and garbage. These children wear skins peeped through by bones. These children are very weak and undernourished. They look like skeletons as their bones peep through their थिन स्किन. वो इतने कमज़ोर हैं कि उनकी हड्डियां उनके शरीर से बाहर झांकती हुई दिखती हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता, क्योंकि उन्हें न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट नहीं मिलती. And spectacles of steel with mended glass, like bottle bits on stone. They wear spectacles of steel with mended glass. Mended means repaired glass, and they might be discarded glasses by a rich person. Their life is like bottle bits on stone, shattered. Their life is shattered, just like broken, like bits of bottle in a stone. जैसे कि अगर हम किसी बॉटल को स्टोन से तोड़ते हैं तो सारा कांच बिखर जाता है, इसी तरह से उनकी लाइफ भी बिखर चुकी है. All of their time and space are foggy slum. They are deprived of even the basic amenities of life. Their lives are confined of the foggy slums where they spend their whole life. वो अपना पूरा जीवन उस foggy slum में गुजारते हैं जहाँ कोई भविष्य नहीं है. So blot their maps with slums as big as dooms. The maps displayed in their classroom are not able to locate their slums. These slums are a black spot on civilized world. So it is urgently required to give these slum inhabitants a better lifestyle. They must be provided opportunities so that they might lead a dignified life. So blot their maps with slums as big as dooms. This is end of stanza 3. We shall end our video with this quotation. The history of all previous societies has been the history of class struggles by Karl Marx. Thank you.